Hey y'all, in tonight's episode I'm going to show you how to make beef enchilada stackers. Seasoned yellow corn tortillas layered and then filled with plenty of seasoned ground beef, onions, and plenty of 4-blend Mexican cheese. A fantastic Mexican dish. Stick around, I'll show you how I do it. First thing I want to do is add about a couple tablespoons of oil to a skillet. Let that heat up, then add your ground beef. Chop that up, let it cook. About halfway through, add your white diced onions. Cook that till the meat's brown and the onions are soft. Drain off any grease, return it to the stove, and we're going to season it with kosher salt and coarse black pepper. Also, we're going to put in some Fiesta brand enchilada seasoning. You can pick that up at any store. And a small can of red enchilada sauce. Stir that in till all of that sauce is well absorbed into the meat and onions, and then start your sauce. Add some sauce to a saucepan, add more enchilada seasoning, stir that in till that's all well mixed in. Then dredge each corn tortilla in your red sauce, both sides, and just repeat that process for all 4 of your tortillas. Then put a thin lower layer of that sauce at the bottom of your baking sheet. On the bottom, put 2 tortillas topped with seasoned ground beef and onions and plenty of 4-blend Mexican cheese. Top that with another seasoned corn tortilla and more beef, more 4-blend Mexican cheese, and top that off with your last seasoned tortilla. Perfect. If you tear one of them, don't worry, it's no big deal. Alright, top that off with more 4-blend Mexican cheese and white diced onion. We're going to cook this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes until that top has browned and is kind of crusty like you see there. Alright, next we're going to hit it with some green onion chives, some more white diced onion, fresh chopped cilantro, and just a squeeze of lime juice on top. Plate it up and enjoy. Hey guys, the full recipe and directions is listed in the description box below the video. Click show more and it'll pull all that up. Great Mexican dish. It's easy to do. I hope y'all give it a try. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye-bye y'all.